Hello students. Today let us discuss the place value chart, which is a very important topic or the concept which you have to keep it in mind. So place value system has been divided into two parts: Indian place value system and the international place value system. Today, I will begin my discussion with Indian place value system. Indian place value chart and Indian place value system are same only. So don't get confused that it is written chart in your textbook and your teacher is telling system. They are same. So let us start our discussion. At first you have to look into these periods. Hmm? There are four. According to your textbook, as per your syllabus, you have to read four periods. The first one is your ones. Next we have our thousand. Next lakhs, then crores. So how many periods do we have? We have four periods: ones, thousands, lakh, and crores. Next, we have to move into the places. The period which we have seen, the first one is our ones, and that ones is again divided into three parts: the ones, tens, and hundred. Ones, that means one, tens, ten, hundreds, hundred. So this, up to this much, it is belongs to the period of ones or the group of ones. I hope this portion is clear to you. Next, you have your thousands. That thousand has been divided into two parts: thousand and 10,000. There is no 100,000. How thousand has been divided? It has been divided into two parts. The first one is our thousands. Next we have our 10,000s. Both the formats are given, the numerical as well as the number system. So thousands, ones and the thousands are clear. Next, in the same manner, we have lakhs in our place value chart. As we have divided thousands into two parts, in the same fashion we have to divide lakhs into two parts. The first one is about lakh and the next one is about 10 lakh. How lakhs has been divided? It has been divided into lakh, that means 1 lakh, and 10 lakh. So three groups we have already discussed. The first one was ones, next it was thousands, after that we have discussed lakhs, and last we have to discuss crores. Crores has been divided into 1 crore and 10 crore. Up to 1000, I think it is clear to you, and from lakh and crores onwards, from lakh onwards you have to be very much sincere about putting of zeros. A zero can change the whole calculation, so better you should take care of the number of zeros. How many zeros are there in tens? That is 1. How many zeros are there in hundreds? 2. How many zeros are there in thousands? 3. How many zeros are there in 10,000s? That is 4. How many zeros are there in lakhs? 5. How many zeros are there in 10 lakhs? 6. How many zeros are there in crore? 7. How many zeros are there in 10 crores? 8. So in this way try to keep it in mind, which will help you. So it was all about our Indian place value system. Try to draw this chart at your home, and first time you draw this chart by taking the help of your textbook. Clear the concept very much well, then try to draw this chart without the help of your textbook. I hope all of you will follow this instruction. Next, I will move into our international place value system. Here we have our international place value system. So as you can see on your screen, that international place value system has three periods: ones, thousands, and millions, according to your syllabus. So how international place value chart has been divided? How many periods are there? We have three periods. The first one is of ones, second is for thousands, and next one is for millions. Now let us discuss the further classification of ones. How ones has been classified? The division of one is same as we have discussed for that Indian place value system. What was there in that Indian place value system? The period of ones was divided into ones, tens, and hundred. So in the same way, for the international place value chart, that period of ones has been divided into ones, tens, and hundred. So numerical and the number system formats are there, is clear. Next, we have our thousands. Now from here you have to understand the difference between the Indian place value system and the international place value system. In the international place value system, thousands, the period of thousands has been divided into three subparts. The first one is all about 1000, next we have 10,000, and then we have our 100,000. What was the first one? It was the thousand, that means 1000, next 10,000, and at last we have 100. 1, 10, and 100. So divisions are like this: 1000, 10,000, and 100,000. I hope the division of thousands are clear. So in the next one we have our millions. As we have divided our thousands group for the international place value system, we have to divide it in the same manner. The first one is our millions, next 10 millions, and 100 millions. These M, TM, HM, HTH, TH, these are the short representations. What does M represent? M represents 1 million. It doesn't represent 10 million. How will you represent 10 million? For 10 million, you have to write down TM. TM represents 10 million. How will you represent 100 millions? For that, you have to write down HM. And now let us look into the total number of zeros. So 0 starts from tens. In that tens, we have 1, hundreds we have 2, then thousands we have 3, 10,000s we have 4, next 100,000 we have 5, in that million we have 6. How many zeros are there in that million? 6. How many zeros are there in 10 million? 7. How many zeros are there in 100 million? That is 8. So if you can keep it in mind, the number of zeros, it will be very much easier for you to do various kinds of calculation, or to convert international values into the Indian one and the Indian into international. So this much we have discussed. Practice these two charts at your home. First time you should take the help of your book. Second, without the help of your book, then check it out from your textbook how much you have done it correctly. Practice again and again. So this much for today. Thank you.